L&H has some really talented people that aren't just here for a paycheck. They take more pride in their work.
It's not just, like I said, L&H's name on it, my name on it too at the end of the day.
Anyone who has a technical mindset gains some satisfaction from taking something apart, fixing it, and putting it back together. And that's what we do, but with the biggest machines on earth.
You know, L&H used to be just very local. It's extremely global now. With our knowledge and experience over the last 50 years, so diversified and willing to adapt to anything that comes our way.
Travel all over, you get to work outside, you still get to machine or weld or mechanic on big equipment.
When you first go through L&H, it is intimidating to see the size of the components, the machines, you know, the speeds and feeds that these guys are removing iron at.
We use all different processes in the weld shop, ranging from flux core arc welding to stick welding, air arcing, some sub-arc, and a lot of solid wire. Some of the components we've built are over 100 ton.
So our technology is pretty impressive.
L&H builds basically anything you can think of when it comes to machinery or mechanical components. Especially with the NASA job, we were hired to go and retrofit their shuttle transporter. And that was an experience in itself, once in a lifetime in my opinion. There's bores that I've machined and bolts that I've installed into that thing that may take the next space mission to Mars.
Safety is number one in our day-to-day job. It's priority before production. It's pretty easy with all the crane work and traffic and machines with moving parts that somebody could get hurt real easily.
We like to pride ourselves in the fact that nobody gets hurt.
If you're not safe during the day, you're not going home to your family at night.
Everybody here has a lot of pride, and they want to know that what they're making and what's going out is going to be a good quality product.
Quality and craftsmanship comes first.
You guys know what they're doing, and we have some of the best teaching us. Everyone you work with is usually a pretty close friend. It's almost more of a brotherhood.
If you put the work in, the time in, they'll take care of you personally and financially.
There's no doubt about it. It's work and it's hard work, day in and day out.
It's not for everyone, but for the ones that it is for, it's a pretty rewarding career.